Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was just about ready to work on my seat, give it a little bit of TLC, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some conditioner on it. I've been using this conditioner for about 2 years, and it's been working really well. And as you can see, the leather's holding up really good. It's not cracking. It's looking really nice. Okay, what you want to do is get it mixed up real well. Then make sure your seat's clean. You know, you don't want to start out with a dirty seat. It's this stuff here is Lexol Leather Deep Conditioner. It says to use a deep cleaner from Lexol, but I've actually never done that. Tell me if I should or shouldn't, but I never have. Haven't used it for 2 years, and I've only used this after like washing the bike. And I've been using this for, off and on for about every 2 months. I'll give, you know, a treatment to the seat leather. But let me show you. Let's get to it. Okay. If this was the first time I was using this stuff, I would probably start out and maybe find a spot somewhere that it's not very easy to see and do a test with this stuff on it and make sure, you know, it's okay and it's not going to hurt your seat. But I've done this so many times with this stuff, I already know what's going to happen. But basically, I just start out give it a lot of juice. Your applicator is your hand. This is what I saw the guys when they actually put this seat on. That's what the guy told me his secret was. He actually uses his hand, and then he just starts working that conditioner in all over the place. Just start working it in there real good. He said one of the benefits of this is that if you're using a rag for an applicator, the rag actually soaks up a lot of the conditioner and doesn't get it on the seat, you know, it stays in the rag. I actually start out with quite a bit. I think I put way too damn much on. It's kind of hard getting into these little spots. Oops. But we'll come back and clean that up later. And just work that conditioner into the leather. Yeah, just work it in. Now when I had this seat put on, I had it done at Rich's. I'll throw a, I don't know, a link somewhere up in this corner or this corner if you guys want to check that out. But he did a really nice job. What kind of pattern? I love this diamond. Oh man, this just looks so cool. Yeah, it's kind of night and day. You don't want to do this just before you go riding, because the conditioner does make the seat a little bit slippery, you know. Plus it'll get on your clothes just a tiny bit. Man, it makes it look so nice. Okay, I thought I put a ton on, but actually it's soaking in really good. Nothing's better than getting to go out and see the country, get on a bike and just go for a ride. Oh my God. You cannot beat that. Good group of guys, go for a ride somewhere. Like our last trip last summer, we ran down to Yellowstone and then eventually made it over to Sturgis. And, oh, beautiful country. You can see how it's just soaking into the leather. Just press it in, work it in. It's almost like a massage for the bike. You treat it well, it'll treat you well. It's kind of like your wife, you know. Start out with a massage and crazy stuff happens. I think that's how I ended up with 2 kids. I don't know. Okay, like I was saying, work it in for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. Let it sit. I'm guessing 10, 15, 20 minutes. You can kind of see it starting to really soak in nice. If there's areas that have a little bit more wear and tear, you know, maybe work that in a little more. I always just do one coat. I don't do two, maybe because I do it every couple months. But you know, maybe before, if it's the first time you're doing it, like I was saying earlier, do a test on a spot that, you know, see if the conditioner will work with the type of leather you have, and then after, you know, 15-20 minutes, go ahead and just get a rag. And you don't want to rub real hard, but you just want to rub real light, take off some of that excess. Just go ahead and get in there and try and get all that extra conditioner off. Just a real gentle rub. You don't want to push hard. And then what I'll do is I'll get some of this bug slide microfiber towel, clean one, don't use a dirty one. And then I just kind of start out with hitting it like that. And then I'll just go around and find all those spots along the seat that you ended up getting some of the conditioner on your bike. And then working on that, you know, cleaning off. Just trying to clean off some of that conditioner that might have got on there a little bit. See, the rest of your bike's gonna feel a little bit jealous because the seat got all the attention. So you got to give the rest of your bike a little bit of attention. Okay, that's all it is. Just to recap, rub that stuff in by hand. Be generous, get it on there, it'll soak in. Maybe do that 15-20 minutes, work those worn areas a little more, and then just go ahead and let it sit for 10-15 minutes, let it soak in. Take a cloth, you know, a hand towel, and just wipe it off real gentle, and that's all there is to it. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll throw a couple of those little boxes up on the screen. You guys can watch a couple ride videos. Anyway, see you guys on the next ride.